What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another video, and today we ended up taking a W, as you guys saw by the title. Before I even continue, I just wanted to say thank y'all so much for the support on the last couple of videos and just everything overall. All the DMs I've received of people saying this helps them and stuff. I appreciate y'all, man. And yeah, I'm glad it can help some people, even though I don't really explain because I don't really explain how to trade. You kind of sort of already have to know how to trade. But I'm also trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, so if you guys could subscribe, I appreciate all the new subscribers, bro. We're at 72 out of 1,000. Hey man, we're getting there. We're working for sure. So I appreciate everybody who has subscribed, all the new subs. Y'all enjoy, man. Let's get into this daily bias. So today we had a 4-hour unmitigated volume imbalance, which we're in now. And oh yeah, my bad if my mic sounds bad. I don't know what's going on. It's just I don't know. It's not working. I've been trying to fix it for the past 45 minutes. So we had this volume imbalance on the 4-hour. We had a 15-minute unmitigated imbalance. We also had hourly highs up here, hourly lows over here. These hourly highs are London highs, and I'm gonna get into this line later, right? So you guys understand my levels now. I basically, when I get on the charts, I want to see price come up here, sweep this, and come back down and sweep London lows, and I'll just take it down to this 15-minute unmitigated area or this line right here, depending on what price did. But bro, as you can see, we end up just displacing here, and I'm just like, okay, this is not looking like a liquidity sweep. It's just looking like we're continuing bullish order flow, because on the hourly, if you just take a look, right, the past 3 bearish imbalances we've inversed, right? Inverse, and we inverse and we come back down. We tap into the hourly imbalance. We come back up. Boom, up, boom, up. So what did I think? Boom, right? We boom and then boom, up. So, and with this 4-hour unmitigated volume imbalance, it just made everything so much more higher confluences, right? Even though we're sweeping highs, I still saw price coming way higher. So on the 15-minute, on the 5-minute, because that's where I'm waiting now, I see that we leave this 5-minute imbalance, and this was basically going to tell me everything, because if we came down and inversed it, broke 5-minute structure, I will then be looking for shorts down to London lows or down to one of these unmitigated areas, right? But we end up not doing that. We end up coming down, come back up, respect it on the 15-minute. Let me see, where is this? Yeah, so on the 15-minute, we also had a potential bearish SMT with this line, right? This is the line I was talking about earlier. We end up coming down right here, right? You see this little wick, we come down, and we could have made a potential SMT because ES never swept these highs, but NQ did, which is, if this loads, bro, my laptop is so laggy. That's why if the audio is bad, my bad. But ES swept it. So ES had that potential SMT, bearish SMT, but we never end up making it, right? We just end up displacing through it, and then on NASDAQ we displaced through it again. After that, I'm like, okay, so we're respecting bullish areas. We've on the hourly, we just see how bullish order flow is going, and then on the 5-minute, we come down to this 5-minute imbalance and we come right back up. And we also failed to make the bearish 15-minute SMT. So after that, on the 2-minute, I'm like, okay, let's see what I have. And as you can see right here, if I just, right here, we have this 2-minute bearish imbalance. I then wait to see what happens, right? We come into it and inverse it, and I was still iffy about it. That's the crazy part. I should have entered here, right, I would have gotten even probably a way better entry down here because it dumped first. But I end up just not acting right, and I'm just thinking way too much, and I end up entering like here. We still got a good entry though, not too much of a difference, but still would have been different. And we get up here giving us a 1 to 1.7 basically, and that's what honestly happened today. And where did I get out of? Like, where was my TP? Basically these hourly highs, and I got out right before them. So yeah, because I was still pretty bearish, right? I saw price coming down eventually, but just to play safe, I put my TP right under it. And hold on, let me go here. As you can see, we come here, and the way I managed my trade is after we went past the highs, well, after we went past the highs that we could have made the SMT on, right? That means the highs that NQ swept but ES didn't. After we went past those highs, I end up just going break even, and I don't want to see price come back down, which as you can see, we get the candle, we come here, boom, and then we just get all out here. I was in this with 3 micros. We won about, it said like 187, but I'm pretty sure we got like 167, right? Let's see. Yeah, you see? And then I have my stop loss. Yeah, that's how the trade looked right there. Yep, that's how the trade looked. Yeah, it says 170 something, but regardless, guys, nice, good day, W day. And yeah, so that means on the funded, we are currently at 356 in profit. And yeah, we're just building up that buffer slowly and slowly. It was a good day. Yesterday I did not end up trading, so that's why I didn't upload. And again, I appreciate all the support on last videos. If you like today's videos, like and subscribe, comment. My Instagram and TikTok are in the description. And I'll catch you guys in tomorrow's video if I trade, or whenever I trade again. Peace.